everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your apartment rental agency business. So if you're also running an apartment rental agency, then this video is definitely for you. If you receive a lot of queries from your customer regarding apartment queries, then replying to these queries manually is so tiring. So I have brought the solution for this problem by creating a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now if a user will send a message, an automated reply will send to them. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for apartment rental agency business. Rental agencies often manages 100 plus rental properties across a city. They get daily inquiries via WhatsApp about available apartments, site visit, pricing and documentation. Manually responding to all leads causes delays, missed up follows and reduced conversations. So in this video we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot that acts as a 24/7 virtual rental assistant, instantly responding to queries, sharing listings, collecting visit details and even connecting users with human agents when needed. So let's start creating our own WhatsApp chatbot. But firstly, I will show you how exactly a chatbot works. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. Here you can see I have already added a WhatsApp number named Rental Agencies to my Pabbly Chatflow account. Now I am going to type a message here. Here I am going to send a message hello. As soon as I am entering the hello, I am getting a welcome message that is welcome to Urban Nest Rentals, your trusted partner in finding the perfect apartment. How can I assist you today? Please choose an option. And here we are getting 3 buttons, that is view apartment, schedule a visit and more about us. Now let's select view apartments. As I'm selecting view apartments, I'm getting a message with a list. So now let's open this list and see what will happen further. As I'm opening the list, I'm getting some options for the apartment. So now let's select 1 BHK here. As I'm selecting 1 BHK, I'm getting an image of a 1 BHK flat. I'm getting its address and its pricing. And now here we are getting 2 buttons which is asking me whether I want to rent it or schedule a visit. So now let's click on book now. As I'm selecting book now, I'm getting a message that my booking has been scheduled. Now let's enroll to our another option, that is schedule a visit. As I'm clicking, I am getting an automated reply which is asking me for some details, that is full name, preferred apartment or type, date, time and contact number. So now let's enter these details and see what will happen further. As I'm entering these details, that is name, apartment type, date and time and contact number, I am getting a reply that is thank you, our agent will confirm your appointment shortly. So now let's see our last option, that is more about us. As I'm selecting more about us, I am getting a message which consists of the name of the rental agencies, their operating cities, their experience, rating, website and contact number. Here you can see our chatbot is working properly. You can also create a chatbot like this for your rental agency to reduce manual workload by using Pabbly Chatflow. For accessing Pabbly Chatflow, you have to type its URL, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting 2 options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can just click on sign in. But as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pabbly. For creating a chatbot, you just need to access Pabbly Chatflow app, and on the Pabbly Chatflow app, you can see we are getting 2 buttons, that is access now and learn more. For accessing Pabbly Chatflow, you have to click on access now. As you will click on access now, you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see I have already added a WhatsApp number to my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by clicking on add WhatsApp number. And here I am getting 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can just click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can just click on Manual Token Connect. And here we are getting the option for create a folder. If you want to add your own folder, you can just click here and create your own folder. Now moving on to the sidebar, we are getting many features provided by Pabbly. So now let me explain you these features shortly. So the first feature we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive messages from our customer and we send them automated replies. Now the next one we are getting is contacts. You can manage your contact list here. Now another one we are getting is team queues. If you want to manage your team access for managing the chatbot, you can can just click on team access. Now another one we are getting is templates. You can create your own templates here. Now the next one we are getting is broadcast. If you want to broadcast you any message on a preferred date or time, you can just click on broadcast. Now another one we are getting is flows. So flows are basically the path which our WhatsApp chatbot follows. For creating a chatbot, we just need to access flows. Now another one we are getting is AI assistant. You can create or add your own AI assistant from here. Now the next one we are getting is settings. You can manage your settings according to you here. Now the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can just click here. If you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. Now for creating a flow, we just need to access flows. So click on flows here. Once you will click on flows, you will get this flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. You can also create your own flow. For that, you just have to click on add flow button. Once you will click on flows, you will get this flow page, and here we are getting the flow start node. If you want to provide a name to your flow, you can just provide it here. Here I am providing it the name WhatsApp chatbot for apartment rental agency. You can provide name according to you. Now moving on to the flow start node, here it is asking me to enter keywords. So you might be thinking, what are keywords? So keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter. So now I am going to enter a keyword here, that is hello. You can enter as many as keywords you want. Now moving on further, we are getting the option for entering regex. So regex are short form for the regular expression. These are used for a specific user input. But if you want to trigger any message, you can enter regex like this. Now if a user send me a message, I want to provide them a welcome message. For that, I will just drag and drop, and here we are getting many options such as text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message, and template. But I want to send a message. For that, we just have to click on text plus button, and here we are getting this message node. On this message node, we can enter the message whatever we want to send to our customer. So now I am going to enter a message here. Here you can see I have entered a welcome message for my customer, and here you can see I have placed this sentence inside these asterisk signs to make it bold. Now I am going to create some buttons. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my button. The first button I have created is view apartments. Now I am going to create some more buttons. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my another buttons. I have created my second button also, that is schedule a visit. Now I am going to create my third button. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my third button. Here I have created my third button also, that is more about us. So you can also enter message and create buttons like this. Now if the user clicks on view apartment buttons, I want to provide them a list of the apartments. For that, I will just drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for the list. So just click on list and you will get this list node, and here we can create the list of the apartments. Here in this message node, it is asking me to enter header, body or footer for the list. So now I am going to enter a body for my list. You can also enter header and footer for your list. Here I have entered a message for my customer. Now I am going to create the list. For that, I will just click on add section, and here it is asking me to enter the section title. So now let's provide a section title to our list. Here I am providing the title as apartments. Now for adding items to our list, you just have to click on add items, and here it is asking me to enter the title of my first item. So now let's enter our first item, that is 1 BHK. So we have created the first item of our list. So now let's create another items like this. So just click on add items and enter the title of your second item. Here I have created even my second items. You can create more items like this for your list. Here you can see I have added more items to my list. Now if the user clicks on 1 BHK apartment, then I want to provide them the information of this 1 BHK apartment. For that, I will just drag and drop, and here we are getting the option for the media. By using media, we can add image, audio, video and document to our message. So now let's click on media and add image to our message. For that, I am going to select media type as image. Here it is asking me to enter or paste the URL or drag or drop the file here. So now let's drag and drop a file here. Here you can see I am having an image named apartment. So now let's drag and drop this file here. As I have dropped this image, I have already got the URL for this image. Now let's provide a caption to our image. Now I want to add message to this image. For that, I will just click on add content, and here you can see we are getting the option for text plus button where we can enter the message. So now let's enter a message here regarding the price and location for this apartment. Here you can see I have entered this message. Now I want to create some buttons. For that, I will just click on add button and enter the text of my first button, that is book now. I have created my first button, that is book now. Now I am going to create my second second button. For that, just click on add button and enter the text that is schedule a visit. Now if the user clicks on book, now I want to send them a message. For that, I will just drag and drop and select text plus button here. Here I am providing a message that booking has been scheduled. Now let's enhance our flow by providing option for schedule a visit to our customer. For that, firstly I am going to ask for some details from my customer. So if you want to ask any type of question or you want any kind of detail or description, you can just go to actions and here you are getting the option for ask question. So just click here and enter the message or the question you want to ask from your customer. Now let's connect this schedule a visit button with this question node. Here you can see I have entered a message asking for the name, preferred apartment type, date, time for visit and contact number from my customer. Now let's select contact custom fields here. Here you can see these are the contact custom fields created by me. You can also create your own contact custom fields. For that, you just have to go to settings and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. So if you want to create your own contact custom fields, you can just click here. Now let's select our contact custom field as details and the format would be any. Now if the user provides us the details, I want to send them a message. For that, I will just drag and drop and here I am going to select text plus button for entering the message. Now we can enter the message we want to send to our customers. Here I have entered a thank you message for my customer. Now let's enhance our flow and provide the details of this apartment rental agencies. For that, I have created a button that is more about us. Now I am going to enter details in a message node. For that, just drag and drop and here select text plus button. Here you can see in this message node I have provided the general information regarding the apartment rental agency. Here you can see we are having a schedule a visit button here also. So now let's connect this schedule a visit button with this question node. So here you can see I have created this flow for apartment rental agencies. You can also create a chatbot like this for your apartment rental agencies by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now for saving this flow, we just have to click on save button. Once you will click on save button, a pop-up will appear that is flow updated successfully, means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving messages from our customer, let me take you towards my inbox section. For that, you just have to click on inbox on the sidebar. Once you will click on inbox, this inbox section will appear and here you can see this is the number I have connected to my account. And in this inbox section, here you can see we are successfully receiving the message from our customer and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to our customer. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your apartment rental agencies by using Pabbly Chatflow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video. You can create multiple chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any price related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So go and create your WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.